Good afternoon guys. Hi, kumusta po kayo lahat? By the way guys, advance happy Valentine pala. Ayan. Hope everybody is happy. Kahit walang partner, okay lang yan guys. Lilipas din yan. Ang importante is happy tayo with our family, friends and children. Yan. So ako okay lang ako guys. Being a single mom, or I mean being a widow for almost more than 2 years. Yan, happy ako with my children and they don't want me to remarry. It's fine. Tapos na tayo dun sa kabanata na yan. So, happy na lang muna tayo. Enjoy na lang. They told me to just enjoy my life without any partner. It's fine. So, let's just keep ourselves busy. Like me, I'm always busy. I always wake up very early. Of course, daily routine being a mother. And at the same time, you know, happy tayo sa ating ginagawa. And thus I always rely my life to God, to the Almighty God. Ayan. And wala naman imposible sa mundo. Ang importante is we manage we manage to keep our family always intact and good communication. Hindi naman nawawala yung sometimes tampuhan sa pamilya, pero at the end of the day nasusolve naman ang problem. So ako basta hindi ako sanay na gigising ng late na kasi sanay tayo sa work and we don't have any housemaid. Yan, so kami lang. And I'm happy naman na na-train ko rin yung mga anak ko nung maliliit pa sila on how to be independent. So yun, it's for their own benefits. The important is wala tayong ginagawang masama sa kapwa. Ayan. So guys, again, remind ko lang po, salamat sa mga nagla-like and follow to my FB page and to my YouTube channel, Lilian Padamada Vlogs. Ay makikita nyo naman sa mga vlogs ko before. So yun guys, maraming salamat and have a good Friday. Bye for now. Ingat po lahat. God bless. Sorry.